What's up, Ransom? It's Devin again. Thanks so much for speaking to me on the phone. In this quick video, I'm going to give you 3 simple tips you can easily follow so you can start beating Langley roofs. If you type in roofing Chattanooga, these guys show up first. I'm going to show you exactly how easy it would be to beat them and just by copying them. I know you're probably asking why I would even make you this video. I just found out there's lots of roofing contractors that are so busy running their business, they don't have the time to learn how to make the internet bring them more business. And the only thing stopping them from hiring somebody to help them, they just don't know who is an expert and who's not. So I started creating these attack plans and just giving them away for free. And most people just take this information and do it themselves, which is awesome. Some people say, you know what, Devin, I like you. I just don't have time to do this. Can you do this for me? And that's cool too. Whatever you want to do with this information is totally okay with me. I'm just here to educate you and help you make a lot of money. Now, Ransom, I'm going to talk about 3 quick things today: content, backlinks, and citations. But I wanted to start off by saying whoever designed your website did a fantastic job. I love the gold look throughout the entire thing. I guess you're going for like the gold standard type deal, but it really looks gold. You actually have that nice grading effect going on throughout the entirety of your website. It all matches really well. You have beautiful animations. From a design point of view, this is killer. It's so custom. Nice image of you and the group or in the entire company. Awesome job when it comes to design. Like I couldn't tell you anything to fix on it. It's amazing. Now, what Google cares about when it comes to ranking, unfortunately, isn't design. What they care about mostly is content, all the stuff you can read and highlight. The average website on the front page of Google has around 1,500 words of content, so it's kind of where you want to start. Whoops, go back. So if I pull up this word counter and I paste all of your content in it, you can see you're almost there. You're at 1,166. So great job. Now, by getting yourself to 1,500 words, not only is it going to make you look like an authority in Google's eyes, but it's also going to give you more room to fit in what's called buyer intent keywords. A buyer intent keyword is just a phrase somebody commonly types into Google when they're ready to purchase from your business. So I pulled up a couple for you right here you can use. For example, Chattanooga Roofing Company. 250 people search that every month. So you want to make sure you have that inside of your content. And you can see you don't have it on there. You have it on there 0 times. Or if I do roofing Chattanooga, same thing, 0 times. Roofers Chattanooga, and that's got 200 people searching it. Roofers Chattanooga, that's got 150 people searching it. And you can see you don't have any of these keywords anywhere on your page. So you want to make sure that you put those keywords inside of your content. You can put them in your headings. You can put them in your body. You can even save your images as keywords. Like right here, instead of group and all these numbers, this could be called, Roofers Chattanooga, and that'll help you rank for that keyword. So that's my first tip regarding content. My next tip for you is called backlinks. A backlink is when another website is linking to your website, driving traffic to your website. This is important because Google's kind of like a popularity contest. They want to see a bunch of trustworthy and relevant websites vouching for your website. Like I said, though, they want to see trustworthy and relevant websites. You're going to get a lot more power if you have other roofing and construction companies linking to you versus having like Pizza Hut linking to you. Google knows you're not a pizza company. So the tool I use to check out backlinks is called Ahrefs. You don't need to pay for this tool. Just Google backlink checker. You can see this information for free. It says you have 8 websites linking to you. Great job. That's an awesome start. Langley Roofing has 47 websites linking to them. If I were in your shoes, I would copy them because these 47 websites, if they're good enough to rank Langley, they're good enough to rank you. So I would go one by one, to each of these websites the exact same way they did and put a link on each website back to my own website the same way they did. And a lot of times it's really simple, like Home Advisor, Expertise, Yellow Pages, Super Pages. You just go on these websites, you hit Join Our Pro Network, Get Listed, Sign Up, Join. You create a free profile, and then in your free profile, you put a link back to your website. And that's simple. You've got a backlink. So it's really easy to do. It's really simple. It just takes some time. But if you copy their backlinks and you beat their content, those 2 tips alone are enough to get you ranked number 1 organically here. If you want to show up number 1 in the map section, you need to have more citations than your competitors. A citation is when you list your name, address, and phone number inside of a directory, which is just a website that allows you to list your business's information like Yelp, Yext, Yellow Pages, stuff like that. So if I were in your shoes, I'd just figure out what directories Chattanooga Roofing Company was in. I put myself in the same ones and then add a bunch on top. If Chattanooga Roofing Company was on 150 directories, I'd be putting myself in at least 300. But that is all I've got for your Ransom. I hope you found this video informative and helpful. I tried to keep this short and to the point for you. As a quick recap, you're going to want to have at least 1,500 words of content on this homepage with keywords inside of that content. And just so you don't have to pay for any software, just feel free to pause this video and take these keywords directly from here because this is what your customers are currently typing into Google and how many times they're typing it in. Then get the websites linking to Langley Roofs and get them linking back to yourself. And then put your name, address, and phone number and more directories in Langley Roofs. If you follow these 3 tips, Ransom, this is how you become number 1 across the entire front page of Google. You're probably asking, what do I do now? You have 2 options. The first one is to take this information and do it yourself. This is a great route to go. It's what most of your competitors are doing. Going this route, if you decide to go this route, just the sooner you get started, the less catching up you're going to have to do. If you have any questions or if you want any help getting this done, give me a call back. My phone number is 805-618-6426. I'd be happy to hear your goals, give you a free attack plan on what to do next. It was great speaking to you on the phone earlier, Ransom. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I hope you have an awesome day. I'll see you.